Right, now then, you lovely lot, back at it again. Today I'm back on home turf. I'm back at Teesside Airport, my local, and I'm going from here to Faro in southern Portugal. Now, the observant amongst you will realise that I'm flying a Ryanair Airbus a320, and they do not have that in the fleet. Well, I've tried doing this in the Boeing 737 MAX, which Ryanair do on their fleet, and it keeps on turning to shit. There's been issues with the flight plan not loading in properly, and halfway through one flight I just had a complete engine failure. So I'm going to do it in an Airbus. I've stuck a Ryanair livery on it purely because Ryanair have announced their further commitments to Teesside Airport, which is quite exciting for my local pokey little airport. So hence why I'm doing this flight. I've just altered it a bit because the Boeing 737 MAX from the marketplace is shit, for want of a better term. So let's get going. We've got a checklist open for some reason there, don't know why. What we've been cleared to fly to. Um, 6,000 feet. Hit the all autopilot there. Quick look at our flight plan, which I'll leave open. Maybe, anyway, I don't know. Straight south, over sort of Manchester, Wales, Bristol, southwest, over that bit of France, over all this water here, and then into Spain and across to Portugal, coming into land in about 2.5 hours time. There, Faro. So, it's foggy, it's cloudy. It's not very accurate because it doesn't really look like that outside. Well, let's go anyway. Right, this plane just looks wrong with the Ryanair livery on it, but I don't really care. And I don't like the way that Ryanair has been pronounced by my pilot here. Listen. No, that one wasn't that bad. 16,000 feet. Oh, another one. 250.
Climb and maintain flight level 250 ROA an hour. 650.
There, you said it there. ROA an hour. Bloody ridiculous. Anyway. Bollocks to him. We're up, we're flying, doesn't look right, but we're going to Faro, away from cloudy Teesside, so stick around guys and I'll see you down there. Right then guys, thanks for sticking about. I'm back. We're just above southern Portugal. We've just begun our descent into Faro. You can see just off there, that's the coast, and the airport is just off there somewhere. Let's have a look at our plan and our range. So 18 nautical miles in that sort of arc, so you're looking probably about 100 miles away from landing. Straight on, and then a left turn, and then onto final approach. I'll speed things up for that. I just wanted to bring you back in and keep you up to date with where we're at, and hopefully you can join me for that laggy final approach. Well, hopefully not, but fingers crossed. If you like and subscribe, you've watched my videos before, you know what I like. Try and keep the lag to a minimum, but it's a bit unpredictable, isn't it? So we'll see how it goes, and I hope you're still about. Right then YouTube, I'm back and I'm on final approach. The airport is over that way somewhere, in between this frame I reckon. Some nice little holiday villas down there. Right on the continent, on the southern coast, and the airport's just going to be over there somewhere. I haven't got a visual on it just yet. Take your range down. Total descent to 2,000 feet. We're just coming down below 6,000. I've got all my lights on. Probably going a bit faster than I'd like to be. So
Ryanair 6506 Heavy. You are 13 miles west of Faro. Contact
Put the
Faro
localizer on.
119.13 when inbound.
Looking for that ILS information. I know I'm
Tower
over
on
speed.
119.13 our way in hour 6506 heavy. Faro Tower our way in hour
That's the airport
6506
there.
heavy 12 miles west inbound ALS Zulu runway 10 approach.
Ryanair 6506 Heavy Faro Tower. Altimeter tree 0.17 wind 0. 61 at 8.
A lot going on in this cockpit.
Cleared ILS Zulu runway 10 approach.
Cleared ILS Zulu runway 10 approach our way in hour 6506 heavy.
The way the AI pilot's still saying Ryanair is still getting on my tits. It's like, it's actually doing my head in. Right, we're clear to land. Let's put approach mode on. I think we're far too high though. Landing gear down. Small flaps. Slow right down. Looking for the glide slope, but it's still in blue. I think we're far too high. I'm gonna have to get autopilot off and try and bring this in manually. Coming in far too fast.
500,
But at least we're on the glide slope.
400, 300,
Throttles are idle. So I've some
200.
spoiler.
100, 60, 50, 40, 20, retard side,
Get down. Vestos, brake, 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 brake. Wobble about all over. Warm the tyres up. Well, I'll tell you what, it was an improvised landing, but it was a landing all the same, guys. We've made it. Faro in Portugal from Teesside.
Ryanair 6506 Heavy exit runway when able.
Will do, pal. thanks very much for watching, everyone. Then it was very improvised. I know for a fact Ryanair don't fly these planes, so it was a bit slapdash. And as for that landing, well, less said the better. I had to slam it in there myself and force it down, but then maybe I didn't lose enough altitude when I was told to. But we got there in the end, guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for being on this journey with me. Folks, if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell to get notifications when new content is posted. If you're like me and into flight sim, aviation and drinking the odd beer or two, then this is a channel for you.